G'day, it's Keza from Kezbar Brewery with a brew rig update number 2. Oh, there's Mrs. Kezbar trying to back in. Anyway, I'll turn it around and give you a look. So, it's all welded up. Say hi! It's running away. So, these were the measurements I was talking about yesterday. So that my kegs sit on them, they're halfway each. So, there will be little lugs welded into here, about 50mm or so, so that the keggle's got no chance of doing that. But anyway, that's it all welded up. I'll give you a full view. There we go. So, now the fun begins. I'll order some casters during the week. Yeah, order some casters during the week to weld on the bottom. And I will probably end up starting on the kegels during the week. I'll get the plasma cutter out and lock the tops off the kegs. Then I'll mount them up so that they're sitting the way I want them. Drill the holes so that I can put all the paps in it, weld them up with a TIG, and well, actually I might leave the tops on until I've finished welding up the paps so I can purge them. I'm trying to get rid of the bottle because the bottle's costing me an absolute fortune for rental. Argon through BAC, the bunch of rip-off bastards. But anyway, we'll give you an update when I start on that.